Hello everybody, James again from KSTHL Labels. So cheap custom woven labels. Woven label is relatively cheap accessories for our garments, but the cheap things is not worthless. Instead, good accessories are good woven labels. Is too important for your clothing brands and the products. Good labels can play a decorative role in our clothing. Sometimes like our jacket or the coats. Why do we use a good part, a very big part, the woven labels or the woven page or embroidery page? So because now a good accessories that's for play for direction for our the products. So that's just easy accessories actually. Thank you.